What's going on, YouTube? Scatpeezy here. Today we have a mystery unboxing. Now, it's only a mystery because I order a lot of stuff off the internet and I don't quite know what this is. But if it's what I think it is, this is a momentous occasion. You feel me? It has to be documented. It has to be shared with y'all because the future of this YouTube channel stands in the balance. So without further ado, let me drink some water. Delicious. Go drink water. Let's open this freaking box. Ow! I'm about to cut. Yeah, alright, let me chill, bro. It is what I think it is. Let's do it. We're gonna use this junk tonight. Give me a second, y'all. Give me a second so y'all can see what it is. Allow me to open it. Ready? Are you ready, kid? I did cut myself, bruh.
This is insane.
Hey, yo. Look at this. What else? We can already say blood, sweat, and tears. I don't know if y'all can see that. But we got a new camera. Let's go! We got a new camera! Now this will be my new vlogging camera. Yeah! We are about to return to the vlogging scene in a real way. I'm gonna take these. Bro, I really freaking sliced my finger open. That's crazy. I should have band-aids like this right here. Yeah, bro. That's crazy though. Multi band-aid for the win. It's low-key perfect. Okay, we can open it now. Lift off. This is the camera. It is small. That's the camera. Please peel off the film before you. Duh, fool. Actually, the camera is this small. This is actually a charger piece. You can attach to that, John. How you do it though? Here it is. Tiny little thing, man. It's looking like this thing did not come pre-charged, which makes sense. I'm starting to get salty now, y'all. This video gonna be longer than I intended, bruh. I don't know how to work this thing, even after reading instructions, bro. All right, so this is the spot where you put in that micro SD and you can charge it with USB-C plug right there. Still don't know how to turn this thing on though, bro. So I got one for you. I mean, it's super convenient, bro. Like, literally, look at this. Look at that compared to my hand. Like, you just vlog yourself like these. Can't nobody see that. You don't know what I'm, talk to the hand. I'm just talking to the hand. Whole time I got a freaking 4K camera in my hand. That's crazy. That is crazy. I was put on by TikTok, bro. I seen a girl talking about this camera, and I was like, yo, I'm trying to get back in the vlog game. This darn near might be a necessity, and having it in person, my hopes are definitely up. I just, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be a learning curve, learn how to actually use the junk, bro. And I can't wait to try this out. This is the waterproof case. So you should be able to vlog underwater with this junk, bro. And you already know, bro. Pool day, I'll do a pool day vlog in the summertime. Pray before I do it. I don't want my camera to break. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, waterproof case. Can't wait to try it. Can't wait to get the camera to actually turn on, but hey, I might have to cut the cameras here. You see we got a new cam, so you better stay tuned and watch when I actually drop the first vlog. The first vlog is gonna be a momentous occasion because it's my first vlog off the new camera I just got, bro. It's the first look, so definitely tune in for the vlog. Definitely subscribe if you're excited to see what we got from this new camera. I got a lot in store. I ain't gonna lie. I got a lot of projects that I'm working on this month. This month of November is gonna be crazy, y'all. It's gonna be nuts. Feel me? I got a lot of projects I gotta do for school, but I got a lot of stuff that I wanna do on the personal side as well. Like big stuff, bro. We gonna be working this November, so comment November down below if you're excited to see what we have in store. If you're excited to see me actually learn how to turn the new camera on, I might have to watch a freaking I'm reading it. It's telling me where the power button is. I tried it. I think I just need to charge it. But yeah, guys, I appreciate you for making this far. Again, comment November if you've made it to this point in the video and if you're excited for what we have in store. But I'm Scatpeezy. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out, y'all.